Very good morning children. Welcome to the online session of subject English of 7th class. I hope so. You all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So in the previous class we have completed the B reading part of unit 1. Okay. So B reading, that is poem, the town child and the country child. Okay, that poem we have completed. So in the today's class we shall start the C reading part. Okay, C reading part. So what is the C reading means? The new blue dress. So the new blue dress. This is one of the real life story, real experience story. So which is happened in the year of 1909. So in the year of 1909, this story was happened really, truly. So this story. So in the 1909. So this story, it was happened in the Cleveland, so which is in the western countries. In the western countries there is a city called Cleveland. Okay. So in the Cleveland there was one of the street called Gates Avenue. One of the street called Gates Avenue. So how the story is linked with the new blue dress means we shall see in this story. So in the Gates Avenue, the street called Gates Avenue. So how the Gates Avenue is there means it is very much dirty. So there are no street lights. There are no pavements. There are no beautiful roads. So all the houses. So whatever the houses are there in that also, so the houses were also not in a good condition. So not in a good condition. So that means so they are not painted for the so many years back. Okay. So those type of street, that type of street is a Gates Avenue. So but if comparing with the other street, so beside that one there is one more street. So beside that one there is one more street. So but this street is very much beautiful. They have good condition of good house condition, good home conditions, good road condition, street lights, everything is in that houses. So in the street. Okay. So every person is working for the good condition of that street only, and like that street is there in a good condition. But coming to this Gates Avenue, so there are no facility is there in a good condition in that Gates Avenue. Okay. So all the but what about the persons in this Gates Avenue means everyone is a hard working person only, but they don't have much money to spend on the cleanliness of this Gates Avenue. Okay. So like that every person is there. So one more thing here, every person is a hard working as well. So one more thing, there is no proper running water also. Proper running water for drinking, for any water purposes there will be no. So many water purposes will be there no. So without water we can't run the house. Is it right? So that type of running water is not there in this Gates Avenue street. So like that. So in one of the family there is one of the little girl who used to go from this Gates Avenue only. So there is a little girl is there who goes to school from this Gates Avenue. So beside this Gates Avenue there is one of the school. Okay. In that school there is one of the school. So in that school this little girl was studying. So whoever the students, so all the students who are coming from other streets and other places, everyone is coming in a neatly. Everyone is coming neatly and tidily. Okay. But the girl who is coming from this Gates Avenue, she was not in a good condition. That means so she was not neatness. She was not in a neat condition. So she was not she was untidy, she was very unpleasant, and she was bad, okay, in the face appearance and everything. So she could not able to hair what is that, she could not able to comb her hair also. So that type in that type of condition the little girl was there. So everyone used to keep aside, okay, every all of the friends who are studying in her school, so they used to keep her aside. So but one of the teacher, she was very much felt very much sad, okay, by looking only this little girl, okay. So this whatever the situation was there, so this situation was happened at the time of spring season, at the time of spring season. So spring season means, you know, so what is meant by spring season? So I think so, you know. So spring season means the time when our Telugu Telugu month is started. So whenever the Chaitra Masam is there, no, so that will be started, no, that is called a spring season. That means at that time only the flowers will be blossoming very beautifully, okay. At the time the flowers will be blossoming, okay, and we will be celebrating Ugadi at the starting of this spring season. So that is time period is called a spring season. So in the spring at the time of spring season only this story is happening, okay. So like that only one of the teacher felt very much sad, okay, by seeing this little girl. So one day she asked to the little girl that why don't you comb your hair, why don't you wash your face, and why don't you wear the a tidy dress, a neat dress, like that she asked means. So at that time what she said, so we are coming from a grade 7 student, we don't have any enough money to become very tidy and to become neatness, like that she said. So for that one day the teacher said, so the teacher one day, she by looking about her face, so beside your dirty face, beside your untidy face, there is one of the pretty face. Pretty means a beautiful face. So beside your untidy face, there is one of the beautiful faces there. So once today after going to home, please wash your face and come, so that you will be looking very much pretty, like that. She advised, teacher advised to that little girl. So the next morning, by seeing this girl's face, so it was very much pretty. So by looking that pretty face, so the little girl said that today while I am coming from the home, my mother look my face, and she said that your face is very much pretty than the previous days, like that she said. So while comparing with the previous days, so yesterday, day before yesterday, today your face is so much clean. So like this only you wash your face, like this her teacher said. So and one more thing, so daily one task, one work is giving to the little girl. So at a time, all at a time means it won't be possible. So daily one small change the teacher was advising, teacher was giving to that little girl. So first day the teacher said to wash her face, so that you will be looking very much beautiful and very much shining, very much sharp and active. So next, and today after going to home, you comb your hair and come, so that your face will be looking very tidy, very neatly, like that she said. So the next day she combed her hair and she came. So afterwards by looking her what the little girl's father also getting surprised, and went into one of the what is the one of the strange situation. Beside my daughter's untidy face, there is one of the beautiful good looking face is there. So we have to change ourselves like that. The this little girl's father had one of the idea in his mind. So afterwards, about coming to the dress. So why don't you wear another new dress like that? The teacher advised means. So what she said? So she said that I don't have any another dress. So I am wearing only this one dress and coming to school, and every time I will be wearing only this one dress like that. She will be saying. So for that, at the time the teacher offered one of the new blue dress to that little girl. One of the new blue dress to that little girl. So the little girl took it very rushly, very fastly, and she went to home and she worn that new dress. So after wearing, so at the morning, her mother looked at her good looking face and dress. So afterwards, after going to school, so she also became one among her friends. So she also became one among her friends, and she said that after going to home, my father will see me in the new blue dress, and he will become surprised. He will be exciting very much. So like that, the little girl become in a excitement. So she was waiting for a chance so that she should show her beautiness to the father, her good looking face and new dress to her father. So like that, after going to home in the evening time, so evening time they are getting ready for the supper. So at the time, when her father came to house to see the little girl, so he went into surprise. Surprising. So at the time, his daughter was in a good looking face and in a new blue dress. Okay, and afterwards, at the time, on the dinner table, he used to see one of the cloth for the first time. So previously there was no cloth on the kitchen table, but for the first time there was one more cloth on the kitchen table. So I think so. What is that cloth? You might be understanding. So that he used to see some changes. So what are the two changes he observed in his home at the evening time, at the time of supper? Means first one is the new blue dress who was worn by his daughter. That means the little girl. And the second one is whatever the on the kitchen table there was one of the tablecloth on the kitchen table. These are the two changes which was noticed by her father at the time of evening, at the time of supper. Okay, in the evening at the time of supper, those two changes has been noticed by father. So after noticing, so he got whatever the thought he got. So there must be change in our attitude and in our works. So he started to implement those works. So implement means to keep in a force, to start working. Okay. So as soon as the supper has been completed, that means the food which are eating in the time of at the time, at the night time, at the evening time. So after completing that one, so he went to the garden area, and he started to put the clean the garden area, so of his house. So the next day evening, so he was watering to the garden area. So whatever he was doing at the outside of his house in the garden, so one of his neighbor house. So there are two houses. So in this house, this father was doing the garden work. So the person who is in the neighbor house, so he was looking to him. So this person was looking to him, and what he was doing, he was observing. So by observing, so this person has started cleanliness work, whatever called Swachh Bharat. So here this person, the neighbor also got the idea, and he also helped to this to the little girl's father to keep in the cleanliness. So at that time, these two houses, again the little girl's father started to have a paint for his house. So like that, these two houses has become very much neat. That means with the paintings they have completed their neatness in the street, in the Gates Avenue street. So out of all the houses, only these two houses become somewhat neat in the street. Okay. So one day, the next day morning, so the minister of the church minister. So Gates Avenue means it is one of the English area. So like a British area is, so England, UK, United Kingdom. So in that area, so the church father will be called as a minister. So one day, one of the minister is passing nearby the road of this Gates Avenue street. So he observed these two houses. And these two houses were somewhat neat. While comparing with other houses, these two houses were somewhat neat. So this church minister, he got an idea. So these two houses were somewhat neat. So what happened to the other houses, and what is the road condition? So he observed everything, and he started to implement work on this street. So first of all, he cleaned every whatever the pavement or whatever the road system is there. And next, afterwards, he started to give commission for painting. Okay, he brought paint persons, and he made every house to paint very much neatly. So like that within few days, within 6 months. So starting from the little girl, within 6 months. So like the other streets, this Gates Avenue also became very much neat and tidy. So at the end of the street, there is one of the street light. So on the road is very much clear for this Gates Avenue, and for every house there are gardens, and there is painting. There are beautiful paintings for this Gates Avenue. So like this, the Gates Avenue has been changed. So has been changed by 1913. So by the year of 1913, so this Gates Avenue has been completely changed. Okay. So this is about the story of the new blue dress. So by seeing this story, by listening to the story, so what has become a change in this story means, so the teacher who advised the little girl to wash her face, to comb her hair, and to wear a new blue dress. So from the three situations onwards, the Gates Avenue has been completely changed by 1913. 1913 is, so how many? So around 6 years. Within 6 years, the this whatever the Gates Avenue has been become very much neat and tidy. Okay, this is about the story of the new blue dress C reading part. I hope so you have understood this story very much clearly. So who has changed? One question, children. Who has changed the total situation of Gates Avenue? Means what is the answer? The little girl. The little girl's good looking face and dress. So that has changed. The teacher, the advice of teacher and the little girl's good looking face has been changed the Gates Avenue street in the Clavey land. Okay. So this is about the new blue dress. Okay. So next step. So coming to your next step. So this is end of C reading. So now as a homework today I will give some 5 meanings to you. Okay, you have to read and write those meanings from the lesson itself. So unit 1 A reading is the town mouse and the country mouse. So from the lesson, in the middle of the lesson I am giving some meanings. So you try to read, write those meanings, at least one meaning three times and write down. Okay, as a homework. So why I am giving the meanings as a homework means, so to improve your vocabulary skills. To improve vocabulary skills, I am giving the meanings as a homework. So this is the very small homework only. So first one, meanings of lesson 1. Meanings. So the first one is advice. Advice. So what is advice means? To suggest. To suggest or to counsel. To counsel. So advice. This is first one. Next, second one. Second one is exclaim. Exclaim. Exclaim means shout in surprise. Shout in surprise. Next, third one. Nibble. Nibble. To eat in small bites. To eat in small bites. Next, fourth one. Plenty. Plenty. Large amount. Large amount. Plenty means large amount. Next, fifth one. Whisper. Whisper. Whisper means speak softly or under the breath. Under the breath. B-R-E-A-T-H. Speak softly or under the breath. B-R-E-A-T-H. So these are the 5 meanings of Unit 1 A reading. Unit 1 A reading, the town mouse and the country mouse. So these 5 meanings you learn and get ready for your vocabulary skill improvement. Okay. So that daily 5 meanings. So daily 5 meanings you have to read. Okay. read and learn and write without seeing also. Okay, that is better to write without seeing also. Okay, so this is a very small homework. So along with this, I will be giving one more homework as a study skills homework. Study skills for tomorrow, for today's homework only. Study skills will be coming to you as another homework today only. So you study skills means there will be one of the table, and by seeing the table below there will be some questions, some 5 or 6 questions will be. You have to attempt those questions, you have to try those questions. So by seeing the table only you have to write. Okay, all questions will be from the table only. Okay, so clearly do these 2 homeworks as today's homework. So today's homework is these 2. So read the learn these meanings and study skills, which I will be posting. You will be getting one more again. Okay, so I hope so you have understood this class very easily. So thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.